first of all, I will create a file named if_file.txt. You can see the content of the file that I have created. So in order to display the output of the content of the file, I will type cap file name. So here you can see the output of the content of the file. Now I will go to the home folder, view my file that I have created. Yeah, this is my file that I have created. This contains the lines I have written in this file. So we have a file now. Now I will use grep command which will match the string containing this file. Now I will type grep string then file name. You can see here the string is matching. Now let us try another example. You can see this file string is matching this file but not in the capital letters. So to ignore this case, I will be using grep -i. So here you can see the grep -i will matches also other words which will be containing the capital T, the D string. So let us try another example. So you can see file in capital letter also. Now if I want to add a new line to this file, I will write cat double greater than sign then file name. Now to display the output of this file, I will simply write cat then file name. Now here you can see this new line has been added to this file. Now I will copy this file using cp command, then will write file name, then new file that is a_file1.txt. Then I will type grep -E which is used for the extended regular expression. Now string, now a_**. What is that? This meta character does expansion and give all the files as an input to this grep command. Now I will type grep -E, then this pattern li !, and file name. It will match preceding item 0 or more times. You can see it is matching one time L, then two time, or there you can see here many. Now if you want to search for all the patterns, then start with lines and end with empty with anything in between. You can type like this. Now you can see line is empty. Basically I have used like this. Now I will use ls command to display the list of the directories, then grep capital E option, then pattern. You can see this preceding item is matching 0 or more times. Now it is also printing txt also. Now we have a quantifier that is question mark. Now I will type grep minus capital E, then expression is question mark. In this, it means the preceding item is optional and will be matched at the most one. So you can see in this is expression, it is matching is and I also. So this preceding item is optional and this is matching at the most one time only. So now I will type ls, then pipe, and grep minus capital E, then the expression ep and question mark, and you can see this preceding item ep will be a optional and it will match e and ep also, but only once a time. Now you can use ls minus l as another command, then pipe, then grep minus capital E, then ep as an expression ep question mark. So you can see it will give my all the list of directories and files in which you can see this preceding item is matching. We have a quantifier plus. Now I will type grep minus capital E, then this expression L plus. This means the preceding item will be matching one or more times. So you can see this L plus is matching L or double time L, also one time also L. You can see it is matching this type of expressions. So now I will type ls 5, then grep minus capital E, sorry I forgot to write capital minus E, then le plus this expression. You can see it is matching le many times. You can see there. Now I will use in another way unless minus L also. You can see it is matching anything. You can see they are matching many times in the list of the directories and the files. You can see using some bracket expression. So I have just typed grep minus capital E and this bracket expression. Now this displays TE. Whatever the list of the characters enclosed by the square bracket will be matched. Now I will be using some quantifiers like curly brackets and this number. This means the preceding item will be matched exactly 2 times. So here you can see it is matching T 2 times. Now I will use another quantifier like this 1 comma. It means the preceding item will be matched at least one time. So you can compare these two. Now I will use some bracket expression to represent any 2-digit number. So I will type like this. So here you can see I didn't get any output because first in this 2-digit number first is from 0 to 4. So I didn't get any number belonging to this. So I changed a little bit. So I get 56. Now if I remove the second bracket expression, so what will happen is in this case it will also give me 8 and also 56. Now I am trying to do some other examples. So what I am trying to do is that I am matching AL expression. You can see it is matching AL. Now if I change little bit to this expression, if I change to A to M, it means I will getting range from A to M, A, C, A, L or A, anything that containing in this file. We left with the quantifier, that is curly bracket and comma M. Now in this case, you can see the preceding item A is matching at least one time but not more than 3 times. Now I will use bracket expression with inside hash file within the square bracket. Now this expression will match any character not in the list, or you can simply say it matches anything except this FILE character. You can see this file string is not matching. Now I will use some predefined classes of character. So I will be typing this way. So you can see here it is giving the syntax error, so you should be careful with this. Now I will use the double square bracket. Now it displays all the characters in the lower cases. Now I will change to the upper. Now this displays all the characters in the upper cases. Now I have left with the one classes of character, which is LM. Now it means it displayed all the characters, that is lower cases, numbers and also the upper cases, but not dots. You can see this is in white color.